So the cable for our scanner gun that we use has just been dangling right near the desk. So what I've done is I didn't realise there was a USB charger right on the side of the desk. So I've plugged that in, put the cables up underneath, and then put it on an ice bracket.
Two little improvements on the tool while in pre-packing. So I've got an XL box, two XL boxes with gloves on our tubing system. So I'm just adding a panel on the XL box to order when it's finished, and it's blocking all the dust in the box. And I'm swapping it with our new attachment for a tool wall, which is a tape gun holder. So the proper tape gun holder for the tool wall is a lot better to use. It's a lot easier to pick up and slot back in place. And when I move the whole trolley about, it'll be less likely for it to fall off. So my printed scissors don't actually cut anything very well. As you can see, they bend and they don't cut properly. So now I've got a present from Ryan, nice pink scissors. So scissors are now labeled next to the printer.
Oh, hello, so here we have, if you open, close, and with the J help, we have your funky news box. Leave it.
The pen on the lean labelling station has gone walkabouts, so I've labelled up a new one, and that can go in there. I've got an angle checker the other week for sorting out the rafter brackets that are angled, and at the minute it's sat right at the back of my drawer. I've got to pull the whole drawer out to get to it, so I want to improve that. So I've had a small rejig in my drawer, and I've moved the SIM card tool to here. I've got this big gap, and just here I've added some little rubber feet, so now it's much easier to pick out and put back. I've got some dongles and a USB floating around in this drawer, and over on this drawer I've got some more USBs floating about, so I'll sort that out. So the solution was these little pots that the Makita drill bits come in. All I've done is I've just done labels for each of them, so I've got USB sticks and Wi-Fi dongles, and what I have done is over on the computer I've added the shape of that to my small labels template, so if I ever need to label one of these boxes again, I've got a label just there.
So my improvement for today, I just put some blue tape around these pallets so we know where they are, where they go. So as you see, nice quality. Premium. Thank you.
I'd no home for my bottle of drink during the day. Now giving it a home so I don't have to keep moving it everywhere I'm working.
When we pick an order, we put a tick next to every single item that we've picked to keep track of the stock that we've given. But this takes quite a long time compared to the improvement I've made now. Instead of taking the lid off, ticking, putting the lid back on and then sticking there, we've got some handy little bingo dabbers, and the improvement is every single order is now faster by 2 seconds. It takes 4 seconds to do the top bit, 2 seconds to just grab, dab, done. Thank you.
Well, upstairs there used to be a knife repair, but it went missing for some reason, so I'm going to improve that to make it a lot better. Well, I now improved it, thanks to Jake for ordering it. So now I've got a knife upstairs, now all labelled, it's all good. So I can now cut the straps off new pair of boxes, or cut boxes from here. It'll be good. Thank you.
So the knife has gone missing from goods in, so I've got another one, labelled it, just going to replace it. Thanks very much.
So before, there was no signage here telling you that this is the drop-off point for the motor trolley, so just got Jake to make me a nice one. Thank you.
It's a great job everyone, thank you very much.